grass, a tree, or a garden. Touch the earth, a leaf, or a rock. Focus on the textures and sensations. Breathe in the fresh air, deeper filling your lungs. Feel the solidity, rootedness of nature. Imagine yourself as part of this ground, living ecosystem. Find a patch of grass, a tree, or a garden. Touch the earth, a leaf, or a rock. Focus on the textures and sensations. Breathe in the fresh air, deeply filling your lungs. Feel the solidity and rootedness of nature. Imagine yourself as part of this grounded, living ecosystem. Imagine yourself as part of this grounded, living ecosystem.